So you just pooped. Then you go to wipe with toilet paper and you find yourself wiping again and again and again. Most people don't realize they've been wiping wrong their entire lives. As butt hygiene experts, we're here to break down the most common wiping mistakes and how to actually get your butt clean without using a whole roll of toilet paper or rubbing your hole raw. And yes, I'll share the secret to saying goodbye to sticky poops and never-ending wipes forever. But first, which type of wiper are you? Are you the aggressive wiper? Do you find yourself using a lot of pressure and wiping repeatedly, like you're trying to exfoliate your colon? Well, that's a one-way ticket to skin irritation, chafing, hemorrhoids, and anal fissures. If you're scrubbing like a maniac, it's because you're not getting clean on the first wipe. Solution? Water. That's right, water. Water from a bidet, for example, cleans better the first time. No friction, no raw butt, just fresh and clean cheeks. If a bird pooped on you, you wouldn't wipe it around with paper. You would wash it off with water. All right, the second type of wipe is the gentle wiper. Maybe you dab around your hole like your butt's made of glass. Well, if this is the case, too little pressure leads to improper cleaning. You're just smearing around poop and not actually cleaning it off. That leftover bacteria may cause odor, itching, and that never fresh feeling. The solution? Wash with water. It's efficient while still gentle on your skin. Now maybe you're the wad monster. You might be crumpling a whole roll of toilet paper into a ball thinking it will be efficient to wipe with. For the love of your plumbing and the forest and your wallet, stop, please. The proper technique here actually is folding. It's cleaner, more controlled, way less wasteful, and less likely to leave toilet paper bits behind. Did you know when you wipe with toilet paper, no matter your strategy, there is a 100% chance that you're transferring poop particles to your hands? Yes, 100%. Then you touch your phone, the door handle, and it ends up on everything. Check out our video, Why Your Bathroom is Covered in Poop Particles, to learn more. The next type of wiper you could be is the wet wiper. Now, wet wipes sound nice, but let's look closer. Many are loaded with fragrance, dyes, and harsh chemicals. They strip away your skin's natural oils, and if you have sensitive skin, forget it. If you've ever had mysterious itching, rashes, or booty discomfort, that wipe might be the culprit. We did a full video breaking down the dangers of wet wipes and compared them to all other wiping methods. Be sure to watch that next. Now maybe you're the back to front wiper. This one is serious. If you wipe back to front, especially if you have a vulva, you're playing with fire. That motion transfers bacteria from your anus to your urinary tract, leading to painful UTIs. This one is the biggest health risk that most people don't even realize they're creating. Always wipe from front to back, like this. Please. Finally, are you the dry wiper? Let's be honest, dry paper doesn't clean. It just moves things around. Are you still wiping after 7 rounds and feeling gross? It's because your method is not efficient. Once again, water is your best option here, specifically a bidet. Bidets are better than dry wiping with toilet paper because the target spray is more efficient. There's no irritation, no chafing, no paper waste, no lingering smell, and no never-ending wipes. If you've never used a bidet, here's a video on how to use one. Don't worry, it's simple. We're also dropping a full video soon on the history of toilet paper and why it's the biggest scam in hygiene. Subscribe so you don't miss it. My favorite bidet brand, HelloTushy, has a lot of wonderful bidet options, from beginner-friendly attachments to full-on electric seats that pamper your butt. The Tushy bidet's efficient, gentle stream of water leaves your booty shower fresh every single time. They're easy to install, affordable, better for the planet, and way better for your butt. If you're ready to ditch toilet paper and upgrade your bathroom routine, hit the link in the description to check out all of our bidet models and get a special discount just for being here. Thanks for watching and see you next time.